What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I apologize in advance. I have been gone for a couple weeks. I'm back with another video. You've seen the title. The year is almost over, guys. I have 2 deposits to make. Last week, I did not make a video. You know I am always faithful to you guys. I post a video every week for this money savings challenge. I've been buried. I've been busy. I've been just really busy, guys. Really busy. No time to make videos. Work's been busy. Coming home. Family. Dealing with stuff around the house. Everything I got going on. But anyways, I'm back with a video for you guys today. I have 2 deposits. Like I said, I have week 48 and I have week 49 deposits for you. $97 deposit, guys. I cannot believe that this week is almost... this week is almost over already, guys. This week has gone by really fast. The year has gone by really fast. It's been crazy. And I just don't know what to say. But I have a deposit for you guys, $97. I'm going to need some change. I got 100 here. So I'm going to go into my stack. Guys, I've been working so hard all year long, saving money. You guys have been here with me. The journey has been crazy. Look at that. We're on the road. So 52 weeks, $1,378, I believe, we have saved all year long, guys, once we complete it. There you have it, weekly savings challenge. We are at the bottom there. We literally have 3 more weeks. We're going to make our deposit now. I'm going to put the 50 here with the big bills. Got the 220s. That'll be 90. I'm going to put the 10 in there. That's 100, but I need $3 back because 48 and 49 is 97. So I need $3. 1, 2, 3. We now have our deposit in the books. I'm going to put this money away. Woo! That's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to show you my chart. We're going to cross off week 48 and week 49. Like I said, this is a double deposit week. We skipped last week. I was so busy. I got my Sharpie here, so we're going to cross off 48. Week 48, we made a $48 deposit. Week 49, we just made another 49. And we now have $1,225. We have 3 more weeks. We got next week, the following, and then the end of year off with a bang. So I hope you guys really stuck with me all year long. And if you're new here, we've been saving money all year long from January 1st, 2020 to now. It'll be January 1st, 2021. So the whole entire year we've been saving money. It's been phenomenal. Thank you guys so much for the support. Please smash that like and subscribe. And continue watching my videos and supporting me. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. I would really, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it so much. But that's pretty much going to do it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. You know I cannot leave without saying, stay safe, but get money. Peace out, Mercado Nation.